Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make a Minecraft server for free. Firstly, visit minehut.com and click on sign up in seconds. Enter your name and credentials, then complete the registration. Verify your email to log in automatically. Now, in the dashboard, click Add Server. Enter a server name, then click Create. Once it loads, just click Activate Server. Minehut will prepare your server about 30 seconds. Click Continue when prompted to transfer the DDoS protected server. Now, use the dashboard to start or stop the server and access the console, then manage files, add plugins, or configure the world, create backup also. You can also customize the message of the day and server properties if needed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.